Hey everyone, it's Vicky IRL. In my real life, this is it. Welcome in.
Time to fly to Seoul. Finished up packing. Suitcase 1. Suitcase 2, backpack with my computers and work stuff, and my carry-on for 13-hour flight. Decided to chop some dead ends off at the last minute lol.
Why do you say that?
For the non-transmitting mode. No further voice calls, including video chatting, is permitted until we land in Incheon. We are about ready to depart, so please ensure all carry-on items are properly stowed. Please stow all tray tables, footrest, bring your seat back to the upright and locked position, and ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened.
안녕하세요, 여러분. It's Vicky in Seoul IRL. I've just gotten off a 12-hour flight and had an overnight layover in Seattle. I am done. My eyes are so bloodshot. Anyway, I want to show you a quick view of my Airbnb before I destroy it and put my stuff everywhere. So let's take a look at that, shall we? Okay, so here's the doorway. Take my shoes off, of course. This is the shoe cabinet. My stuff's in the way, but anyway, you can see where you put your shoes in there. And this is the kitchen. I have a washer, hob, and drawers for my cutlery and everything. Brand new fridge. I have a cabinet with a rice maker, cutlery, towels, microwave. It's super cute. It's cuter than the last place I stayed in. This is the bathroom. It's a wet room, so you step down into it and you get water on the floor, but this one actually has a separate shower stall, which a lot of them don't. They just run off the sink, so this is really nice. And a cabinet, obviously. Walk in here, I have a little couch. I have TV, mirror. This is the closet. Excuse me. I have a nice work desk. Oh, I was just finding out how the Wi-Fi worked. Okay. And I have air conditioning, which, believe it or not, it's really stuffy in here. But it's 30 degrees outside. Go figure. And then there's the bed. And I'll turn off the lights and see if I can get the view for you from up here. Okay, here's the view out the window. Namsan Tower would be over there, but you can't see it because it's got some fog or some moisture clouds coming in. So, and then this is Hapjeong district in Mapo, just down from Hongdae, and there down there is the water. That's the Hangang, the Han River. See it there. Isn't it beautiful, everyone? We made it. We made it. We're here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.